So you're thinking about going solar. Great call. Chances are you like the idea of saving money now and creating a cleaner, brighter future for tomorrow. At SunPower, we like that idea too. It's why we've been making the highest performing and best looking solar systems for 30 years. We also know it's a really important decision, and all the hype out there can be confusing. So let's take a moment to simplify solar. Here are 3 simple questions to ask when you're shopping for solar. Question 1. How much energy will my panels produce? Not all solar is created equal. It takes 25 conventional panels to produce the same amount of energy as just 18 SunPower panels. That means a more attractive, compact system on your roof and more space to grow. Who knows? Maybe there's an electric car in your future. Question 2. How long will my system last? SunPower systems are designed to last up to 40 years, and because they're inherently stronger, we stand by them with the best combined power and product warranty available. It's a great feeling to know your system and your warranty are second to none. Question 3. Who makes my solar panels? It's important because unlike most solar companies, SunPower manufactures our own panels, and they're designed by us, right here in the USA. So you can count on the same quality that earned SunPower the world record for the highest efficiency solar panel. The moral to the story? SunPower is better by design. Once you've asked these 3 simple questions, we're sure you'll agree.